Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing you step 2 on how to proof out garments using our combined template. And step 2 is going to be placing the photo of the garment as well as setting your placement locations. So we're going to go to Corebridge and we're going to grab the SKU for the garment. So we can see this is a SP14 and it's charcoal. And so we're essentially going to go to sanmar.com and go ahead and paste in that SKU number. And we're going to go to product details here, and we're going to make sure that we're selecting the correct color. So next what we're going to do is we're going to find the image that's just front and back like this with no model, and we're going to right click and copy the image. And now in the template you're going to want to make sure that you've got your guides turned on, and that's going to be control semicolon to turn them off and on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on front image here, which is going to select the correct layer, and we're going to do a control V to paste. And you can see over here we've got a kind of representation of how the garment's supposed to line up within the template. And so this shirt does have a collar, so it's a little bit different. So you really want to find where the shoulder would meet the collar, and that's going to line up to this top guide, and you're going to center the shirt on this vertical guide here. And then so essentially what you're doing is you're just going to shrink it up so the bottom of the shirt lines up with the guide. And you see how this shirt's kind of curved at the bottom, so we're just going to line it up to, where that curve starts. So that looks pretty good. Now we're going to grab the back and do the same. Just copy it, click on back image, and paste. And what that's doing is there's some white bars in here that just kind of hides it. That ensures that the garment photos, like if it was a hoodie, doesn't come up into the area where the text is or down below. And kind of a quick way to get the size is to just go ahead and copy the width of the front, paste it in. Sometimes it's pretty close, other times it's not. So again, we're just going to center the shirt on that guide and just shrink it down just a little bit. Okay. We're going to now tab back over to Corebridge, and if there were multiple color variants like we showed in step number 1, you would go ahead and come over and, so of course there isn't a red of this shirt, I know that's what we used on the example, but you would just copy that color and go ahead and paste it in, click on the swatch that you're changing the color of, hit I for your eyedrop tool, and just sample the shirt color. You'll see why later, because we're going to put the artwork on so that way they can see how the color of the artwork looks on that color garment. So back in Corebridge here, we're going to look at our placements down in the modifiers, and we have left chest. So I'm going to zoom in real quick. On a t-shirt, these targets line up pretty accurately for most shirts, depending on the photography. This one here with the target is just a reference, so if you're new to this template, it kind of gives you a general idea of where it's supposed to go and how you're supposed to center it. So I'll just leave it on for now, but this isn't a normal left chest. This one has pockets, so we're actually going to turn off the left chest layer and turn on left chest pocket. And you can see that it tells you to center on pocket, align bottom of artwork to the horizontal line. And so this guide right here should be lined up to the top of the pocket. And again, it's different for all of the different ways that the garments were photographed on the supplier website. So it gets you pretty close. You do have to make a few manual adjustments as we go. And I'm going to leave this on here just so you can see what happens. At this point, you would also click on this swatch here, and you're going to use the eyedropper tool, and you're going to sample the garment color. That way you're getting another accurate representation of what the artwork looks like on that color garment. And so that's it for this step. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.